Hi, it's Rume Gould, and I'm delighted to welcome you to 6 Manley Street, Cannington, the spacious, low-maintenance home you've been looking for. This 3-bedroom unit features a large, open-plan living, dining and multi-purpose nook that feels airy and spacious, whilst the enclosed alfresco area gives you even more options for year-round enjoyment, whether you're entertaining or relaxing. With parks, shopping and public transport close by, this is an excellent option for first home buyers or parents looking for a practical home for their kids to access university. Ready to make your move to number 6 Manley Street, Cannington? I look forward to hearing from you.